Today magazine organized its 6th MT Healthcare Awards during the Medical Fair 2016 at Bombay Exhibition Centre, Mumbai. The event started by lighting of the lamp. These awards aimed at recognizing and honoring leaders in healthcare.
Sir Arthur Conan Doyle once said, "Mediocrity knows nothing higher than itself, but talent instantly recognizes genius. Awards are presented to recognize an accomplishment, a triumph, or any act or feat that is commendable. Awards do not only recognize success, they acknowledge many other attributes like potential, struggle, endeavor, and above all, excellence. These awards, now in their 6th year, honors the doers and pioneers of healthcare industry that conduct advanced grade healthcare practices and make significant difference in patients' lives."
Now, after the lighting of the lamp, because that's how we said that we should start the great and the best things by the grace of God and His name. Now, I would request Mr. Thomas Schlitt, who is our guest of honor, to start the award by saying a few words, and hence that's the welcome speech for today. So can we have a round of applause for him to come here and share a few words with us, please?
We are very pleased to greet more than 500 exhibitors at our event. That is the most biggest medical fair in India ever. Received 3,000 plus nominees, and today we will grant 30 awards.
It's indeed my pleasure to join this very precious exhibition.
That it is not a small thing to organize such a big event. So it is a selfless and a professional approach with which Mr. Kamal and his team is working.
Let's cooperate, let's collaborate, let's work together, and of course let's dispute, let's have debate and deliberation, but at the end of it, I said 2 C's, cooperation and collaboration. It's all for the 3rd C in healthcare, which is care.
We are not the only country that are struggling with dual burden of disease. It's a global challenge. We are not the most inferior country. We are not a country with the most haphazard system. We are not the country with the least bed to patient ratio. We are not the country with the least number of doctors. We are a country where we don't know our strengths.
The world is trying its best to make you everybody else. And it is very easy and convenient to be everybody else. And those who challenge the status quo, those who come out of the comfort zone, and those who want to do something different, they become unique.
And I'd like to congratulate all of you who won these awards. I think it's a big honor for me to be part of this stage here.
Around 3,000 nominations were received, out of which 32 were given the winning ticket.
I thank Medgate for selecting me for this award in that category, who has worked in the rural area for more than 29 years and in the primary health center. This sort of award will encourage the doctors in future to work in the rural area and also to do sincere service.
I personally am greatly honoured and amazed, to be quite frank with you, to have received this award today, because India has fantastic cardiac surgeons and actually practices surgery at the very highest level of any country I can think of. So to be here and receive this award as the best cardiac surgeon of the year is something that is extremely, humbling.
It's an honor and a privilege to have received the Best Rheumatologist Award at the recently concluded function here in Mumbai, organized by Medgate today.
As ever, I give this award to my mother, Ramni, she's there with me, and my beloved late father, Dr. Nagar, and my lovely 2 kids, and my beloved husband.
These kind of award work like the catalyst in our life, and we feel ourselves much more closer to the self-esteem and self-actualization. Thank you so much. dignitaries on the dais and Medgate today. Thank you.
I am very glad and delighted at receiving the Young Entrepreneur of the Year award by Medgate Today magazine. This has been a phenomenal experience. Thank you so much, Medgate.
Thank you, jury members. Thank you, Professor Dias. Thank you, Medgate. Thank you, Afzal Bhai. Marketing nowadays is playing a key role in saving patients' life also, with their timely coordination with the doctors as well as with the community, with the referral doctors and the community peoples.
First of all, I take this as an opportunity to say a big thanks to Medgate today and the jury who has selected and given me this prestigious award.
Thank you, everyone. Actually, this is my 5th patent, catheter reprocessing system. This is a automatic catheter reprocessing system applicable for neurovascular and cardiac catheters. So the catheter can be reprocessed up to 10 times, and each time we are 100% sure the catheter is clean.
I'm very happy to receive this award. The only thing which makes us different is to believe in ourselves and to put our best to get whatever our dreams are.
One thing very special about him is that he is very clear in what he does. Number one. Number two, he believes in teamwork. And number three, he is a very good embodiment of good health and yoga.
Thank you, Medgate. Thank you, Afzal. This is for 2,500 employees working across 14 locations in district towns of Haryana, Punjab, and parts of Delhi. This is for the good thoughts of people like Dr. Jitendra Sharma, who was mentioning there are so many positive things happening across the country.
Thanks a ton for the Advanced Media Group and Medgate today. My special thanks to the jury who recognized the work which has been done in this part of the country in Rajasthan. Thank you to all the winners who have been here, and my special thanks to your teams, because this is for my team who have worked hard to get this. Thank you.
Thank you, Medgate, dignitaries of the dais and the jury. So last 33 years, we are giving service to the kidney disease patients and the single specialty hospital. So two things I believe when I started my practice. So one is God has given only one life and do the best. And second is human potentials are not explored to the full extent. So try to explore fully, because whatever you are doing today, even not even 10% you are doing. So try to explore your inner things, and the best thing, what it comes still, you try to do it for that.
I'm really getting a recognition of your work is a great thing. And it is being done by the Medgate. It's a really commendable, and awards or recognition of your work is not only gives you a confidence, but it gives you a impetus to work more harder, and it gives to the younger people a impetus to work harder.
I am so honored to have received the award from Medgate today for Lifetime Achievement in Healthcare Management. It is the biggest lifetime award that I have received this year. I follow Judge Bernard Shaw's saying, "You see things as they are and ask why. I dream of things that never were and ask why not." So one should have an inquiring mind and accept challenges. That is my message to the young people and not so young alike.
More than the Make in India for the syringes and the needles, I would say, has been my passion to see India doing well in medical devices worldwide. I started this forum called IMED, Association of Indian Medical Device Industry, a few years back. And the challenge for me to see is, we got 500 exhibitors over here in this hall. Only 20 are from IMED. I want to see the day when we've got at least 500 manufacturers exhibiting over here from India. We are too much import dependent. We need to help ourselves.
I'd like to thank you very much to the Medgate and to the jury for giving us an award for Disposable Product of the Year.
Firstly, thanks Medgate for honoring us for this, and I would like to dedicate this to my dad, who always encouraged us to always achieve more, and of course our valued customers who believed in us to deliver the best.
We are thankful and grateful to Medgate Today, Advanced Media Group and Messe Dusseldorf for giving us this opportunity and giving us this platform to select us for this prestigious award.
I feel very happy as on behalf of the company to receive the award for Best Healthcare Startup of the Year. It is very important. This award is very important for us because we started very small from a tier 2 city like Varanasi, where there are not ample resources available, and our team worked hard, and now we are now in mode of expanding into different cities. So I would like to thank Medgate for giving us this opportunity and awarding this award.
We are very pleased to receive this award, the Best Gynec Surgeon and Best Gynec Cancer Surgeon. What I want to say is this is the biggest award in healthcare industry now, and we are very pleased that we received this award. There are times when this is like the end of it. What we want to say is this is just the beginning, because we want to work harder for underprivileged and poor people also.
Right from the beginning, I had been the pioneer and the patronage of the institute, and I am attending the 6th MT award ceremony, and I am fortunate that I had been awarded there, and I was the special guest for the award ceremony.
Doctors always put a smile on their patients' faces with their services. But with this event, there was a smile seen on the faces of doctors and medical service providers.
We are organizing annual MT India Healthcare Awards for healthcare professionals, doctors, who is doing best for society and healthcare fraternity. And it's our moral responsibility to encourage them.
With an extreme positive approach, the 6th MT Healthcare Awards 2016 successfully ended.